Stop by and take a look at the 2022 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, remote engine start, running boards, cargo bed light, LED, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut. Come take a test drive today.